Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. You're staying safe and healthy, and your family is also doing fine in this time of pandemic. Stay at home and continue with your preparation. I'm Shubham Ranka. We are from Team Prep Zone, and today I have a very pleasant and a very special announcement for all the CAT aspirant. Something that I think most of you who are on the Facebook group of Prep Zone, you guys wait for it throughout the year. That when are these workshops, these advanced sessions which I conduct, when are those going to start? So here I am with in front of everyone, and this is a pleasant announcement that the workshops are starting from this Saturday. Yes, and the first topic that I'm starting with is algebra, and even in algebra, we are starting with advanced equations, which is not really simple. So people usually consider equation as something that you get simple equation, you just have to solve it, apply methods that are trivial, and then solve the questions in 2 minutes. No, the reason why I have chosen this topic and why I'm investing 10 plus hours. So last year I've taken this workshop for 11 hours. This year the plan is almost similar with some enhancements, of course. And the reason why I tell it as advanced equations is because in CAT you won't have a simple and a direct question of equation, right? Typically in CAT you will have mixed concept from multiple topics, and you would not really have 2 minutes. See, you'll be solving those TSG time in work questions, which is 5 liners, 6 liners. You'll be solving questions of geometry, which takes time. So there'll be certain question which will take around 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes, which basically means that there has to be certain questions which will take 1 minute, 30 seconds, 20 seconds. And yes, there are students who do solve questions in 15 seconds, 20 seconds. I remember last year when I went for CAT 2020, I scored 99.6 around this in quant and overall as well. So I know that last year there were around 10 plus questions from algebra, and almost all the questions I was able to solve within 15, 20, 25 seconds. And the reason was I just conducted the workshop, so I had all of those concepts, tricks ready in my mind. So yeah, the idea is to just impart, to just throw, and to just share whatever knowledge I have with everyone, so that next time we see any question of equation, we are able to solve it within 20 seconds. And this is advanced equation, so don't think the level is going to be easy, or whatever coaching that you have done, whatever self preparation you have done, this is going to be an eye opener. Usually whatever sessions or workshops that I take, those are advanced only. So yeah, and in this video, I'm going to tell you the registration process, what all things are included in the session, and the details of it. So stay tuned. It's going to be a short video. And if in case you need any help with your CAT preparation, our batch 2 has just been started. The next batch will be slightly less. The size of the batch is maximum 35 students. Yes, we don't take more than that. We actually believe in personalized mentorship, and that is the reason of our success and of our great results. So if you need any help, you can ping us. That is my number. That is at the bottom, 8112269770, and I'm happy to have a conversation or a counseling call with you. Now, what is the detail of the workshop? ठीक है? Of course, the topic is not so simple equation. Total duration will be 10 plus hours. So last time I conducted this workshop on Saturday and Sunday, and yes, the workshop was first, I think Saturday it was around 4 to 5 hours, and on Sunday it was of 7 hours continuously. But I think that that is not really the best practice. So this time I'm going to divide the workshops into 5 to 6 sessions. And every session will be of around 2 hours, like 1.5 to 2 hours, so that you can also have maximum retention and can process and are not really over bombarded with so many advanced concepts and tricks. So hence I'll be taking 5 to 6 sessions in this workshop, and everything is included. The level of course will be advanced. However, I'll start from the basics. And the first class of this workshop is on this Saturday at 9 p.m. So I think whatever other commitments you have, I think if you want to master algebra, this is the time you should attend this workshop, and this is at 9 p.m. And the second class will be on Sunday, 2 p.m. And then I'll inform you on Sunday in the class about the next, which is the third class. Classes will be live. I'll be coming on Zoom, and that is where we'll be solving all and practicing and learning. The learning outcome or the commitment that I can make to all the aspirants that is going to come and attend this session is you are definitely going to learn something. In fact, not just something, but many new varieties, new tricks, new shortcuts to solve the questions in a faster pace. That is guaranteed. This is not going to be something that you would have already seen or you would have already learned because it is new, fresh content. And yes, one thing, the fees is 999. It's free for all the enrolled, full course enrolled student. It is free for all the students who have enrolled in the personalized mentorship course. It is included in your package, guys. However, for However, we have also opened this workshop for any other student. So yes, anyone can just register for this workshop and can attend it. Fees is only 999. I'll tell you how do you have to register. But just remember, we only have 20 seats for the external students because the capacity of Zoom is limited. We can only accommodate 100 students in Zoom, including me, which means we only have place for 99 students. And that would include the enrolled students as well. So we'll only be able to accommodate 20 more students in this, which is totally on the basis of first come, first serve. This is just an indicative list of the topics that are going to be covered. Simple equation, all the varieties, special equations, quadratic equations, higher order, 4 order, 10 order, 50 order. How do you solve those questions? What are the tricks? Then a carryover concept, advanced practice, of course, a lot of advanced practice, and then how to solve those advanced questions orally is what we are going to learn. Art of visualization, that is very, very important for CAT. How do you visualize and extract the best information out of the question that is given? Postage stamp theorem, changing of roots, nature of roots, application based learning, where we'll apply the concept that we have learned of one topic into another, and which is what typically CAT also does, that it will give you a mixed application based concept. Sign change application, maxima minima based questions that is related to equation. Yes. So all of it, this is just an indicative list because it's a 10 plus hour of workshop. So yeah, you can expect everything. The registration process is simple. You can go to instamojo.com/myprepzone. The course is registered there. In fact, are all the courses you'll be able to find here. Just find the suitable course, register for it, and then once that is done, ping me. Alternatively, if you directly want to do a bank transfer or a UPI transfer to register, you can just ping me. Just remember, we only have 20 seats for the external students. Last year also, as I had conducted the same workshop of the same topic equation, this was the feedback. You can go through it so that you have an idea and you have your expectation right. One piece of advice, this is going to be an advanced session. So I would request everyone to come prepared at least with your basic. You should know कि quadratic equation क्या होता है, what is discriminant, what happens when d is less than 0, what happens when d is equals to 0, what happens when d is greater than 0. At least those basic concepts you should be well versed with. This will help you in relating and connecting better in the session. So that is it. If you need any help, you can always ping us. Yes, these are the different events. So in the CAT 2021 batch 2 that is currently ongoing, we have included an exclusive 4 times revision course. So basically the entire course will have four times revision. First is this quant LRDI verbal that you're seeing. This is everything is live, then assignment, then advanced workshops that is happening, then marathon events, and then personalized mentorship. So if someone also wants to register for all the workshops that I'll be taking, you can also register for it. You can just ping me, contact me for the details, and then we can register it. So that is it, guys. I really, really hope to see you guys on this Saturday, 9 p.m. It's going to be a great event and a lot of learning. So yeah, hope to see you guys and all the best.